Ron, all of us are taking commerce. Let's go together. Ria, yeah, we all studied together and scored well. No need to think too much. Bobby, yes, with group we will again do best. Narrator, Dev almost clicked yes to commerce. Not because he loved it, but because his entire friend group did. Dev, with his parents and his beloved Mossy, was drinking coffee in the evening. Mother, Beta, why commerce? What excites you in it? Dev, I am best in math, so can do accounts well. And financial career should be good. And all my friends are going there. I don't want to be left out. Father, son, one subject can't decide the stream and a career isn't a picnic plan. You don't pick it just to sit with friends. Mossy, you've always been curious about design and tech. Remember those robotics projects you loved? Dev, yeah. That made me achieve the Best Project Award. Narrator, that evening, one honest conversation opened Dev's mind. For the first time, he wondered, what if he stopped copying others and started listening to himself? Parents and Mossy encouraged him to meet an expert, career expert. Dev, your strength is in logic, creativity, and systems. Design plus tech has emerging fields like UI divided by UX, AI-driven product design, robotics, 5-year roadmap with skilled courses, internships, profile building timeline. All was clear in 3 sessions. Dev's eyes light up as the career report unfolds. Friends may choose one path. Relatives may suggest another. But your career compass? It's inside you. Don't ignore